You counting losses, then you losing steps. Already lost my mind, just hope my roof is next. You must have lost your mind, thinking you was next. 3 eyes, 1 blind, but it made the truth connect. Conflict time, optimize options, and then you progress. Optimistic through collision, cause all we can use is time.
I'm standing around and getting no chase, no I don't got time.
Used to play games, put that away, felt like that shit was controlling my time. Now I put time into my grind, put that grind into my work. I'm committed, stop buying loud, but when the tape done, I'm back with some perk. Young pimp nigga, show you how to jerk. Attitude of absolute, get me in a skirt. Rapping ain't action, it's a motherfucking curse. So being born, so before I meet the dirt, I'ma figure out where the good side at. See the finish line, but I get there first. Triple OG, bitch, definition of G shit. You gotta pay the fee, street house life, smoke good weed. You teach these niggas, you wake up niggas, they be getting shook, too much energy. Say the truth hurts, so you niggas gon' bleed. See my whole family where the hood be, but mom made sure that I was in the burbs. I wasn't different mine, but she did for me.
I'm living in America, and in America you're on your own. America's not a country, it's just a business.
Gotta do it by the book, Nigga, fuck the system, man.
It's just a business.
Raised ourselves out here, wolf. Ask my family.
It's just a business.
Yeah. Screaming out, fuck the world, fuck America, fuck the city, boy, fuck the state, fuck the world, fuck America, fuck the city, fuck the state. Yeah. Corporations, they want my brain. Upper class, they want my soul, but I can't change now, I can't change now, I can't go. Corporations, they want my brain. Upper class, they want my soul, but I can't change now, I can't change now, I can't go. I fucked around with them pounds, and you never know how that shit'll go. Had dead-end jobs by weekly pay, and that's a lot of time when it's coming slow. On both sides, you're gonna have some cons, and on both sides, you're gonna have some pros. Pros work with cons, swap dirty money, and they get trained, so you'll never know. I cannot hate on them, no. That's the hustle, my nigga. They in suits and ties, nice cars, and they moving muscle, my nigga. Put the work on the block, find the plug at the drop, get them drug out of spot, but the drugs won't stop. Put a tax on the bags, get back, get slapped, catch love from the spot. No love from your pops, so you grown when you not, and it's all in the plan. So you pray to the Lord, put your faith in the preacher, eat it all from his hands. Gotta do it by the book. Government put a stamp and a limit on the land. Rich fuckers in the back, and they got the highest hand, now we don't play that. Fuck your bid, bitch, we trying to redesign business and elevate the thinking patterns of all the shit that y'all think matters. And I swear to God I ain't nervous, just a hippie nigga with a bigger picture, cause I'm sure I found my purpose.